Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 954-478-0974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Stunning 3-bedroom in the heart of Weston's Savannah community. Upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Stone-like tile in living areas and wood-look laminate in the bedrooms. Great split, open concept floor plan. Finished screen patio and lots of space in the backyard. Walking distance to the best community recreation areas in all of Weston. A-rated schools. 2 24-hour manned entry gates. This one will not last. Call today.